just inside the north gate. In case I forget which gate I came in, you can look back at the video. Sheep, swine, and goats. Cheesecake, strawberries. We may have to have a cheesecake or cheese. I don't know. We'll try something. There's the tower. We've already been through the shopping. There are a couple of interesting things, but not anything I can't live without. But then too, I'm not going to tote it around all night either. So. And this is like a pre-day. It's open, but tomorrow is the actual opening day, grand opening day. I'm thinking we have come into the gate. We went in the first building on the right, the shopping building. We're working our way down. I think we would just stay to the right and catch all the perimeter stuff. Then work our way towards the inside and over to wherever the rides are. Let's check out this Heritage Hall. See what's in there. Here's the west gate, and coming in the west gate is where the rides are. News people are set up there. Miller Murphy building.
In the shade.
Pretty good sliding board. Back over towards the north gate. The west gate is to our left. I don't guess we have to pay just to walk through and look at the rides. I suspect this place will be wild tomorrow night, Friday night and Saturday night. They got a little roller coaster. I don't know if they have a big one or if they got a bigger one. I can see the bigger one down there. Oh, that looks like something other down there. We'll see what's down there. There's another little slide. And a Ferris wheel. You lose a lot of your money trying to get some of these prizes. Lose a lot, spend a lot, whatever. I wonder if they have the 3-pound toad like they used to in Gwinnett County for years and years. The 3-pound toad. That's got to be everybody's favorite, but it's downsized to bumper cars. It used to be a lot bigger track than that. We are hungry. We're going to have to get something to eat. The lighting is not good right now, is it, the way we're going? There's a mechanical bull. Cash only, no armbands, no refunds. $10. Oh, ride that bull. Haunted Mansion, Magic Car Adventure, Mega, whatever. There he is, he's going now. Ah! Well, he didn't last long, did he? Well, that thing's getting going. Fireball. Almost. These rides will be a lot better at night with the Midway lit up. I think we're going to break our plan, come back over here when it gets dark, and go to the agricultural stuff. Maybe see they have the fruits, vegetables, pumpkins, all that stuff. See what they got, and then come back over here after a while, find us something to eat.
Flavor, icy cold and smooth in a great big
That'd be
cup,
fun.
just packed with flavorful refreshments. Your visit to the fair is not complete until you've had one of these frozen treats. So stay cool, stay hydrated, stay refreshed, and stay a while longer at the fair with your very own souvenir cup of delicious frozen.
Always like that thing too. I like all of them, I guess. I don't know if I ride anything or not. Me by myself in a seat. I don't care, but I don't want to take up extra space or take up my space for somebody else. Well, think about it. See. See, I want to come back and walk down through here at night with it all lit up. Yeah, we're at the South Gate now. That thing is sort of interesting. Well, I guess you can ride from one end to the other, north and south, and get a good look at the whole fairground. We may do that. Get some video. The overall. Yeah, we'll come back and catch this later today too. The circus is over there. I've never cared anything about a circus myself. Okay, folks, now this is what interests me. $13,990 installation included. Financing available, only fair only price. I wonder how much it is not in the fair. We're gonna check that out. Of course, we don't have anywhere to put it. Look, stilt walkers. She's doing that just for us. It's pretty neat. The cameraman's about to get me too up there on the news. I'll be in the background. Yeah, they should have got me in the background over there. WALB 10 News, Albany, Georgia. I guess we'll go see what's in there. I don't know what's in there.